What's up, babes? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are talking all about hair. So thank you so much to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring today's video. So this is a full HD lace bob water wave unit in 12 inches. This unit is gorgeous, you guys. It is super duper pretty. It was super easy for me to install, you guys. Love, love, love the curl pattern on this unit. And I love the kind of look that I was going for. Of course, if you wanted to create more volume in the crown area, you could just tease the hair a little bit. But I was going for that noodle head, kind of like wet head, straight out of the water kind of look. I just wanted it to look very beachy like, very wet looking. Like I just wanted it to be like Beyonce Drunk in Love. Like this is a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. Love the way I decided to style it. And I also love that it's not a super thick or thin unit. It's literally the perfect density, you guys. Like I said, it's in 12 inches. And it did come like a little asymmetrical, so it did come a little bit longer in the front, but I just kind of like evened it out with my scissors because I just wanted a kind of more even kind of blunt cut bob. I just kind of like those bobs on me a lot better. They just frame my face a lot better. And by the way, this unit does come in several different inches. That way you can get a short bob, long bob, whatever length bob you want, sis. They have 12 inches, 10 inches, 14 inches, and 16 inches. The curl pattern is gorgeous, you guys. I love this water wave. Lately, I'm telling you guys, I have been on a water wave, okay? Like I have literally been loving water wave, whether it's long, short, and lately I have been doing a lot of curly hair here on my channel, and I have just been loving it. And when it comes to curly hair, that's why I love the density on this unit, is because I don't like when it's too big. I just kind of like my curly hair to be like tamed and not to be like super noodle head all the time, but pretty much the curl pattern is popping, but you know, it's not too big or too noodle like head either. You get what I'm saying. Minimum baby hairs on this unit. I literally just put a little bit, the smallest amount of Got To Be gel, and created this small little baby hair right here. This is, you guys can see, this is literally a glueless unit. Now this is a frontal unit, so it is a 13x4, so it's from ear to ear. But I just kind of wanted to rock it like glueless, effortless, natural. I didn't want too much baby hair going on. I just was going for a more effortless kind of throw on type of unit, be it hair day or just whenever I wanted to rock a curly bob, sis. And overall, this was just a pretty easy, straight out the box type of unit, you guys. Although this is my second time installing this unit, that's how much I love it. I did go ahead and bleach the knot the second time around. So minus me bleaching the knots, because I really did kind of need it. It just kind of makes the install look a lot more natural, especially, I can't talk, girl, when you're doing glueless. It just makes it look a lot more natural in my opinion. So that's the only thing I did, a little bit of plucking and this little baby hair right here, girl, and threw this unit on my head, sprayed some water, cut the little two pieces in the front that were a little bit longer than the rest of the bob. That was it. Just that simple. So do not get it misconstrued. 13x4 ear to ear frontal units can also be glueless and easy to install as well, especially depends on what kind of part you're going for. And speaking of part, I love that I decided to go ahead and do a side part with this unit. The first time I had this unit on, I had it in the middle part, but I just love, love, love the side part. I'm just a side part kind of girl. I'm a little biased anyway, and I love that I went with a side part on this unit. There's literally so much bounce, girl, and so much body. Like I'm barely moving my head, girl. That's literally so much movement to this unit. And I would say this is about 75-85% dry. There is still some damp areas, but for the most part, this unit is dry. This is just super, super pretty. If I wanted to create a little bit more volume, oh yeah, that's fine. That's super pretty. I could do that. This is just a really, really nice glueless unit. I love this for me. Love it. Perfect for the summer months, you guys, because y'all know it is super hot. It's still hot outside. Although the summer is sadly coming to an end. This is just the perfect like out of your face, like low maintenance unit. Super gorgeous. So I just wanted to come quickly on here to show you guys about this beautiful bob. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much again to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be linked down below, you guys, the direct link to this unit as well as the Cranberry Hair website. Love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.